Hello and welcome to my channel. You're watching Young Black Misses. My name is Morgan F, and at Young Black Misses we talk all about approachable, affordable vegan food, much like this Misfits Market box. So if that sounds interesting to you, you want to see my unboxing of my latest box, stay tuned. Alrighty, let's open the box. Okay, I'm being silly. Let's go. So, I haven't made a Misfits Market review box in a while, and they are going through some changes, and I think changes for the better, to be frank. So, here's the change. It seems to be packaged the same way, but if you remember, and I will put it up here and down here, up here, down here, so it'll be in the cards and in the descriptions. If you remember in my review where I compared Misfits to Imperfect, I was saying the thing that I didn't like about Misfits is that I couldn't just get whatever I wanted. Now I can get whatever I want. I can go to the marketplace and get whatever I want. But it has to be a minimum of $30, not including the shipping. And my shipping is $5.99. So they've done away with the Mischief and the Madness boxes. Now it's strictly you go in there and pick $30 worth of items from their marketplace and add it to your box. So we're gonna see what I got today. All right. I always love how this is packaged. I think it's packaged very well. Can already see I saw already what I picked it out, but then I looked at it again like in its totality and realized I got kind of two of the similar things. But whatever. So starting off with some baby broccoli. And I'm going to eat all of that. For the first time in a long time, my lemon arugula, which will be great because I wanted to salad tomorrow, so I'm going to have that. Because I'm going on I'll be an outdoor area where I need to bring my own food. Spinach, baby spinach, organic. Organic portobello mushrooms. I think everything in this Misfit box is organic. Can't remember what this is. Roma tomatoes. I love a good tomato. Okay, that's not staying. That's probably why there's a rubber band around it, right? Yeah, makes sense. A random orange that I don't think I ordered. Or maybe I did. I don't remember ordering these. Because now there's four little, I would call these cuties, but I know they're like mandarin oranges. Because I'm so used to, like, you know, you don't call it tissue, you call it Kleenex kind of a thing. It's just good branding. So this looks like partially. So I'll put that in water. Ooh, yes. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but I'm going to figure something out to do with these, those peppers. Nice and spicy. Okay. Now that I did not, oh, okay. I'm like, I did not order that. I know what it is. So, I got regular degular broccoli. I love regular degular broccoli. I still have some frozen broccoli from probably the last time I ordered. So that's a good thing that you can do. You know, you can flash steam this for, like, boil it, steam it for a little bit. Or, no, I'm sorry. You want to boil it, flash boil it, then put it on ice, then you can freeze it. Okay. Golden beets! Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Go Misfits! I was off the cuff, guys. None of this is scripted. This is just Mo Free being Mo Free. some big old lemons. This is a pretty nice haul here. Avocados. I needed onions so bad. I literally have no onions. I think it really would have elevated some of my other meals that I make, but here we are. These look weird, but these are mangoes. That's what I was like. It looked like a pear when I was just glancing down at it. Then I was like, oh, that's the mango. Juicy mango. One of my favorite musicals. Once on this Island. They have 6 limes, so I definitely want to do something Thai. I think I have a curry, so I can make that happen. I'm running out of space there. So potatoes are the last thing up. So we got golden and red potatoes. And then I just have the rest of my mandarin oranges, or whatever these little cutie things are technically called. I'm quite pleased with my collection of items here. All of this was 30 bucks. So yeah, organic produce, 30 bucks. Pretty good. So now that I've kind of gotten used to one way of ordering things, and I'll show you at the end of this clip, or at the end of this video, a clip of how the ordering looks, so you'll see what I mean. It's all just, let's just do it now. It's all just in one little marketplace, and you'll be able to go view all items, almost like you're in a grocery store, really. You'll be able to go through your different aisles, your fruit, your vegetables, your, you know, I forget what else is on there. I'm not without looking at it, but then there's different items. I think there's like pantry. I think there's like snacks, I think. So looking at all those items, and then you can just pick and choose whatever you want for 30 bucks minimum. Of course, you can probably spend more. I don't know if once you hit a certain threshold, you won't have to pay for shipping. I don't know. I didn't hit that threshold. I just spent 30 bucks. This is all I needed, which I think is plenty, don't you think? So I'm very excited about the fact that that Misfits has altered the way that they're doing their business, and I just can't wait to continue to purchase from them. So it's ironic because if you watched the last video that I talked about Misfits, I was very skeptical of them, but I think that's just because they were new to the area. And when I did say that, I said, well, they're new to the area, so I was giving them a little grace. And so it's working out for me, and I'm loving the way these produce are looking this week, because I have had problems in the past. And yeah, if this is definitely an affordable way to get your groceries. Now with the summer months coming, I might go to our local like city market or whatever, you know, your whatever market you have. So I might do that a little bit. But this is a nice little complement to whatever I get at the market. Thanks so much for watching. If you gained value out of this kind of content, if you've enjoyed it, if I've entertained you, please leave me a thumbs up, and also drop me a comment. What is something that you would want to try from this haul? Are these the mangoes? Is it this lemon arugula that I've been waiting on? Let me know. What would you want to try? All right, until next time, guys, you know the deal.